I recently purchased the Sengcou 50-pack Christmas aluminum pans with lids, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with their quality and versatility. These aluminum food containers have proven to be an absolute game-changer for my baking, roasting, meal prep, and Christmas party needs. First and foremost, the size of these pans is perfect for individual portions. With dimensions of 6.5 by 5 inches, they provide ample space for a single serving, making them ideal for holiday gatherings or BBQs. The lids fit snugly, ensuring that the food remains fresh and secure during transportation. The durability of these aluminum pans is outstanding. I have used them multiple times for baking and roasting, and they have never failed me. The aluminum material distributes heat evenly, resulting in perfectly cooked dishes every time. I have also found them to be sturdy enough to withstand high temperatures without warping or bending. One of the standout features of these pans is their versatility. Not only are they great for baking and roasting, but they are also perfect for meal prepping. I love how I can prepare multiple meals in advance and store them in these containers. The lids provide an airtight seal, keeping the food fresh for days. Furthermore, the festive Christmas design adds a delightful touch to any holiday gathering. The pans are adorned with charming patterns that instantly create a joyful atmosphere. They are perfect for serving Christmas-themed desserts or even as gift containers for homemade treats. Lastly, the pack of 50 pans is incredibly convenient. It ensures that I always have enough containers on hand for any occasion. Whether I'm hosting a large Christmas party or simply preparing meals for the week, I never have to worry about running out of pans. In conclusion, the Sengcou 50-pack Christmas aluminum pans with lids have exceeded my expectations in every way. Their durability, versatility, and festive design make them an essential addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for high-quality aluminum food containers for baking, roasting, meal prep, or Christmas parties, I highly recommend giving these pans a try. You won't be disappointed.